Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to convert your PEM file to PPK file. This is a short video. So let's see how we can do this. For this, you need a tool called PuttyGen. So you have to download the tool called PuttyGen. If you never downloaded, you can download this one, PuttyKeygen. You can download this Putty key generator. Go to this website and you can download this one. So once you downloaded this Putty key generator, you will get a window like this. So I already downloaded Putty keygen. So you can see here Putty gen. So this is the tool I already downloaded. So now I'm going to generate my PEM to PPK. So for that, load, and here I have a desktop, and so here I can have a key ssltest.pem. So open this one and give OK. Save this one as a private key, and yes, and you can store in your desktop. I'm giving the same name, SSL test dot ppk. So this is the format you have to do this. And once you're done, you can see here, here I got the key SSL test, so which is in the format of uh, ppk. You can see here. So this is the format of PPK. Like this, you can convert the PEM file to PPK file. So if you find this video as useful, give thumbs up, follow my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.